Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, my Guidepedia. आप डिटेल essays, stories, 12th class English syllabus and letters के लिए हमारी साइट theaugustboy.com पर विजिट करें. And today I am gonna share with you speech on Republic Day. We all are here to celebrate this special occasion of Republic Day. On this year, 26th January 2022, India is celebrating its 73rd Republic Day. 26th January, or Republic Day of India, is the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950. As we all know that British ruled for more than 200 years over India. India got its independence in 1947 on 15th August. Republic Day is celebrated in remembrance of the historic and auspicious moments of India to become an independent republic country. Before independence, India was under British rule and did not have its own constitution. India follows the laws implemented by the British. After attaining independence, it was in need of time to bring our own constitution. So, a committee was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into the effect on a historic day on 26 January 1950. So, Republic Day is celebrated every year in New Delhi at the Rajpath in remembrance of that day when our own constitution came into the effect in India. A large crowd gathers at the Rajpath to celebrate Republic Day along with the President, Prime Minister and other officials of India with invited guests. To honor the culture, traditions and heritage on Republic Day, ceremonial parade take place at the Rajpath. It starts from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the India Gate. The flag hosting ceremony is a memorable moment in the Republic Day celebration. It generally takes place at 8 a.m. There is a speech by the President followed by a Republic Day parade. The jhankis of different states of India showing its culture, heritage and tradition symbolize India's unity in diversity. It shows that India is a democratic country and there are so many different cultures and religions. Followed by the people of India. It is an eye-catching and memorable moment to see the Republic Day march. It also shows the Indian defense capability. Many prestigious awards are given to the Indian soldiers, martyrs, and heroes who have dedicated their lives to protect the country. Many awards are also given to civilians for their good deeds. Every year, India invites the guest of honor for the Republic Day celebration. Republic Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India. Schools, colleges, and offices start preparations for the advanced celebration of Republic Day. In schools, there are various activities like dancing, singing, debate, and drama. The whole environment fills with patriotism and energy. Children participate in many competitions. Fancy dress competition resembles the heroes and martyrs of India. Recite poems and songs full of patriotism. There is also a Republic Day speech and prize distribution. Republic Day celebration is a national celebration without discrimination, the caste, religion, and culture. It symbolizes only unity in the diversity of India and remembers the heroic act of our national leaders, soldiers, and martyrs who have been the part of the struggle to achieve independence and still is working on borders of India and within India to maintain peace and unity so that people of India could live a life free of fear. Yes, I agree that we are still facing the problems of unemployment, poverty, pollution, and illiteracy. But we take a pledge to make India a developed country and will eliminate all problems together. Jai Hind. Thanks for watching. If you like our information and videos, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.